Unit 2 Vocab. Blasphemy. The nun was accused of blasphemy when she openly disapproved of the priest's actions. If you were accused of blasphemy, you were probably talking badly about. Circumspect. We call my friend Kate the mom of our group of friends because she is circumspect. When we come up with a plan, she evaluates all the pros and cons of what we want to do before letting us make the decision. Someone who is circumspect would likely make impulsive and careless decisions. Despicable. The employees were appalled by their boss's despicable behavior. If your boss was despicable, you would probably. Intrepid. The soldier's intrepid behavior earned him a Purple Heart during the war. Risking his life to save others was well deserving of this prestigious medal. Which career would you more likely need to be intrepid for? Languid. Sometimes I get aggravated at my husband's languid pace when we clean our house. I am able to clean 3 rooms before he can finish one because he likes to check scores of sports while he cleans. Which definition of the word languid is used in the sentence above? Preposterous. The prices of some purses is absolutely preposterous. The absurdly high cost of one bag could pay for several bills for one household. If your teacher tells you your project proposal is preposterous, what should you do? Profound. The untimely death of her mother at such a young age had a profound effect on Marisol's life. Which definition of the word profound is used in the sentence above? Prospect. In order to be the best potential prospect for the company, Jill had to brush up on her computer skills so she could secure the new job. If your football coach told you that you were a potential prospect for a school, what might you feel? Reconcile. Although Kristen and Rachel got into an argument, they were able to reconcile their differences by coming to a truce. A synonym for the word reconcile could be render. My donation is going to the local soup kitchen because I know it will use the funds to render food to the homeless. If a jury rendered a verdict of not guilty, what happened to the defendant? Revoke. If you get too many speeding tickets, your driver's license may be revoked or taken away from you. Revoke most nearly means surmount. Despite the immense physical and emotional pain, Henry was able to surmount his fear of getting behind the wheel again after his traumatic car accident. Which definition of the word surmount is used in the sentence above? Sustained. In order to sustain stability at your job, you must work consistently to show that your behavior is constant and does not change from day to day. If you sustain a head injury, what could happen? Tirade. The police officer arrested the unruly man after he refused to end his tirade outside the courthouse. A tirade is something that someone would be praised for. Unflinching. The firefighter showed unflinching bravery when he rescued an entire family from their burning home. If you are unflinching, people may also call you stubborn. Those are your words for the week.